Have you been noticing those viral renovation videos everywhere on social media lately? You know the ones where an old abandoned house suddenly transforms into a beautiful modern home right before your eyes. They're so satisfying to watch that you just can't scroll past them. But have you ever wondered how those videos are actually created? Here's the surprising part. Most of them are made completely with AI. That's right, no real construction work, no camera crew, and no complicated video editing skills required. Just a few free AI tools that anyone can access. And the best part? Creating these videos is much easier than you might think. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, showing you exactly how to create these viral AI renovation videos without spending any money. So if you're ready to learn how it's done, let's get started.
First thing you're going to do is to click on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment to get access to my master prompt. So this is the prompt that I have here, Bara Slum to Luxury Transformation Prompt Framework. So this very prompt right here, you're going to copy it. It's very lengthy. So you're going to copy the entire prompt. So here I have the entire prompt and I've copied it. The next thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT to paste that very prompt. And then you click enter and then it gave me this. Okay. I said phase 1, 10 Bara slum to luxury transformation concepts. And then ChatGPT gave me 10 transformation concepts. And here we have them up to 10. So, and then I was supposed to choose just one, and ChatGPT will give me the entire prompt. So I decided to go with just one of them. And I went with number 8, which is market slum chaos to modern commercial hall. This very one. And then ChatGPT generated the full prompt for me. So here I have the whole prompt structure. So I'm going to show you how I started creating my video. And then the first thing, here I have the image 1 for the before extreme neglect, and image 2, cleanup begins, and then image 3, active construction, image 4, near completion, and image 5, final review. And ChatGPT also gave me the video prompts for each of the images. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our images. The next is to head over to your browser. And on your browser, you're going to search for flow. And then you're going to go ahead and click this first one right here. This first one. Flow usually gives 100 credits to 150 credits daily for generation. So with that, you'll be able to generate images and videos. Then the first thing we're going to do is to come over here, and then we're going to create our image. And then you click on create image. And then you're going to come over here and click the first image prompt, which is this. Then you're going to come over here, and click on the aspect ratio. So you're going to choose the aspect ratio you want. I went ahead with the 16:9 aspect ratio. Output per prompt, I went with 1, and then that is it. So with this setup, you're going to click on generate, and then I got this image. So this is the image I got. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. You come over here to download. I discovered that at first, when I created my first image, it was very okay. And then when I tried to create the second image, I discovered that the image was different. It wasn't giving me the consistency from image 1. And here was what I did. I devised a means to make my images look the same and for the images to be consistent. Then what I did, the image 1 I already generated. I went ahead to upload it on this very frame to video on this very frame. So I copied my image 2 prompt. This is the prompt for my image 2. I copied this prompt and then I pasted it here, and then I went ahead to upload the image 1 I already generated. I went ahead to upload it here. This is the image 1. I wanted the image to be consistent so that I will have a perfect video, and then I went ahead to generate. And here I have my image, which is perfect. You can see, look at the first image, and here is the second image. So the images are consistent, the buildings are consistent, everything is consistent. But the only difference is that there's a little bit of cleanup here. There's a little bit of cleanup, so which is very okay with me. So I went ahead to download my image 2, just the same way I uploaded it, the image 1 here. I went ahead to upload my image 2 here and pasted my image 3 prompt. So let's do that. So here is my image 3 prompt, and then here is my image 2. So I went ahead to generate, and right here I have my image 3. So this is what you're going to do till you get to the last image generation. You upload the previous image to maintain consistency in the images. You can go ahead and do the same thing to all your images so that you can get all of them ready. So here I have all my images ready up to image 5 here. So these are all my images. So the next thing, we're going to go ahead to animate our images. So here is the image to video prompt for image 1. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and copy it. All right, and then head back to flow. So here we are. I have my prompt ready. Now you're going to come over here, right here, and click frames to video. We are going to be using the frame to video to create a video. All right, so we have our landscape ratio and our output per video per prompt. Okay, so this is it. Now we're going to upload our image 1 and image 2, all right, which is our reference images. So you're going to come over here. This is where you're going to input your image 1, and here you're going to input the image 2. So here is our image 1, and then click here. This is our image 2 right here. So now we're going to transition from image 1 to image 2. So when you're done with this, you're going to click on generate, and here we have our video. So let me go ahead and play it. So this is what I did. I did not really like the output. So if maybe you don't like the output of the video, you can go ahead and regenerate. But for mine, I wanted the workers on site to be well dressed, uniformly dressed, so that they can be easily identified. So I went ahead to edit my prompt, and I added that I wanted the site workers to put on workers vest and boots. And here, this was the video that Flow generated. So you can see that, yes, there are site workers on the site. All right. So for the next video, I'm still going to do the same thing I did for the first video. So come over here, frames to video, and then I'm going to input my video 2 prompt. So here I have my transition 2 prompt, and then I'm going to come over here. So this is my image 2, and then I'm going to come over here, and this is my image 3. So you can see, and then you go ahead and generate, and here my video is ready. So the same thing happened to my image 2. I forgot to add that I wanted the workers to put on the workers vest. So I went ahead to also edit that prompt, and then I got this video. So you can see the same thing you're going to repeat for your video 3, video 4, and then to video 5. So my third video prompt is here. I'm going to go ahead. Now this was image 1, image 2, and this is image 3. So I'm going to input image 3 here, and come over here to input image 4, and then generate. And then I got this video. Okay, so moving on to the next video. So I came over here to generate the 4th and the 5th images. So here is the 4th image, and here is the 5th image, and then I went ahead to generate, and this is the result. So you can see everything is perfect. Now we have all our videos ready. So I went ahead to download all my videos from here. You'll be able to download it. So all my videos were. So once all my videos were ready, and then I went ahead to use InShot to merge all the videos together. So here are all the videos added together. I wanted to add a background sound. I didn't want to use the ambient sound. And then I went ahead to generate my own background sound using AI. So I already asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt for the background sound, and ChatGPT came up with this style, this music style right here. And here the recommended generator, which was what I copied, and I went on to the next app where I used to generate the sound. So head on to your browser to musicful.ai. I already made a video about this website, how you can generate your music, your sound for free, your video for free. So please watch the video so that you can learn how to generate your own sound all for free. So right in this box, this is where you are going to drop the prompt of the kind of music you want to create, the style of music. All right, so this is my prompt right here, and then this is it. I didn't title it because I don't need all of that. And then I went ahead. You're going to come down here to generate. You're going to come down here, right here, to generate your sound. That was what I did. So please, if you want to understand more about this website, kindly watch the video where I made a full tutorial on how you can generate your own sound, your own music. And here, this is what I got. This is the first sound. So I love this one very well, and I went ahead with it. So all you're going to do is just come over here and download it. And then I went back to InShot, go to audio, go to music, and then this is the sound I just generated. And I added it to my frame. Okay, so here we are. Already I've muted all my clips, so no ambient sound. And then let's check out the result of this video. And this is how I was able to create my slum to luxury video generation. I hope you found value for this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. Don't forget to also join our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group to meet with other creators and share updates within ourselves. So I'll be dropping the link to every tool that I used in this video. Check the links out and create yours.